How does sunlight actually help your body heal? You might think sunlight is just for vitamin D, but it plays a much bigger role in repairing your body and boosting your health in surprising ways. When sunlight hits your skin, it triggers the production of vitamin D, a crucial nutrient that helps your body absorb calcium. This is vital for repairing bones and strengthening your immune system. Without enough sunlight, your body struggles to heal fractures or fight infections effectively. Beyond vitamin D, certain wavelengths of sunlight stimulate your skin cells to repair damaged DNA. This reduces inflammation and speeds up healing of wounds and skin conditions. It also helps your body maintain healthy tissues, making recovery faster and more efficient. Sunlight doesn't just heal physically, it also boosts your mood by increasing serotonin, the feel-good hormone. This hormonal balance helps reduce stress, which can otherwise slow down healing. Feeling better mentally means your body can focus more energy on recovery and repair. Getting sunlight during the day helps set your internal clock, improving your sleep quality at night. Quality sleep is when your body does most of its healing and regeneration, from muscle repair to immune system strengthening. Without proper sunlight, your healing processes can slow down. Sunlight is much more than just a source of vitamin D. It activates vital healing mechanisms in your body, from cellular repair to hormone balance and better sleep. Next time you need to recover, remember that a little sunlight might be one of your best medicines. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.